Hello traders, and welcome back to another day of trading with the team. Before I go any further, big news. We have a 25% off of our VIP subscription. If you click the link below and use promo code Orlando25, you get 25% off of your subscription. So go ahead and do that. That offer is going to be available only for today. Right, let's go and let's have a look at the Japanese yen. The 4-hour chart on the Japanese yen looks, well, it doesn't look quite bullish, does it, right? We are looking at the Japanese yen. This is FXCM's Japanese yen basket. This is the 10-hour chart, guys. I'm going to go back again to the 4-hour chart. And to just have a look at what's going on. This is a big level that the Japanese yen is trading at right now, 92.75 or so to 93.80 on the Japanese yen basket. So we are looking at a possible rejection of this level. I say possible rejection of this level just by looking at the past 4-hour candle and how this 4-hour candle is printing. This is by no means a fact. We could in fact just do this, reject the level to come back to the weekly pivot and then rally. So for the time being, we remain with our Japanese yen long position, but very carefully managing it, because if I see some kind of weakness out of the Japanese yen at this level, I will flip short. More so if we break with this short-term bearish structure, bullish structure. I'm sorry. Let's have a look at the hourly chart on the same market. This is the level that we're looking at. Same level, 93.80 or so, and as you can see, the momentum to the upside seems to be capped by this level. And right now, what I'm looking at is the possibility, mates, of actually a bearish continuation in the Japanese yen. Now, if we break with the weekly pivot, of course, and today's lows, or yesterday's lows, I'm sorry, we are definitely going lower. But the make it or break it level should be, for me, for my position on the Japanese yen, specifically, is this level right here, the 93.66. Should price break with the 93.66, I believe all bets are off and we are going down. More so because we will be breaking with this reversal pattern right at the key level that we are discussing. Now, the US dollar, let's have a look at the DXY, because we continue to be bearish on the DXY. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart in this market. I'm going to use the 8-hour chart in this market just because I want to have the entire, I want to gauge the entire move on this market. So, this short-term bearish structure is no longer in play, but if you look at what's going on at this moment in time, you can see that we are retesting back the previous week's highs, rejecting the previous week's highs, and of course continuing with the move to the downside. If you remember, we were talking about the 91.70 level being a massive magnet because of how important this level is on historic price action. Right now, let's have a look at some ratios here on the moves that the DXY is in at the moment. We have pulled back 50% of the past of the entire move to the downside, right? Rejecting Jackson Hole's Powell's speech on Jackson Hole Symposium's candle. I'm gonna call it that, the Jackson Pole's Symposium candle, the actual candle that broke with the midterm bullish structure. So I continue to be very bearish on the US dollar. Remember that we do have the ECB's monetary policy statement and the main refinancing rate decision. So heads up to that. I don't think it's going to be too intense on the US dollar side, but we are definitely going to have some reactions to on the euro pairs, right? That's why I'm not taking any new positions on the euro pairs. I only have US dollar and Aussie pair. I'm sorry, US dollar and Aussie. US dollar and Aussie positions on my end, all of them in the money. So again, I'm gonna stop the video here. Then I'm gonna do some more videos on on specific currency pairs, on specific markets. Again, if you want to be part of the VIP team with a 25% discount, the link is below this video. You just use Orlando25 as a promo code and you will get a 25% discount on your purchase. I'll see you guys on the next videos and on today's daily